Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. No? In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on scientific notation. No? Sa previous video ay pinag-aralan natin that numbers in scientific notation are numbers of the form a times 10 raised to b, where a is greater than 1 but less than 10 and b are integers. No? So, since yung ating a is between 1 and 10, no? Dito ay yung A natin ay 502, no? Yung number natin. And since less than 10 siya, ay 5.02 siya, no? The the easier way to remember itong A is between 1 and 10 is just to put the decimal point after one digit, no? So you leave one digit to the left of the decimal point. Dapat may isang digit sa left ng decimal point. And ito na yung value ng A natin. And then we multiply by 10 raised to the B. No? Hanapin naman natin ngayon ay B. And again, from 5.02 up to para maging 502,000 siya. We multiply by 10, no? Raised to, lumaki siya, di ba? So kung lumaki siya, we multiply a power of 10 which is positive. No? So pag nag-negative ka kasi, liliit siya. So from 5.02 to 502,000, lumaki siya. Kaya yung power of 10 mo ay positive. No? So paano kukunin yung power of 10? Yung 5.02, gagawin natin siyang 502,000. So ilang movements yun? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? Tatlong zeros kasi yung dinagdag natin. So times 10 raised to the 5th power. No? So 5 places to the right, no? We move to the right kaya positive yung ating power. Yung ating exponent. Next we have 0.0006008. So again, we have 6008 and then we place the decimal point na may isa lang matira sa kaliwa, no? Ng decimal point. And then we multiply by 10. This time, lumaki ba from 6.008 up to 0.0? Ilang zeros yan? 4. Lumaki ba yung number natin o lumiit? Lumiit siya, no? From here to here ay lumiit siya. Ibig sabihin times 10 raised to a negative power tayo. No? And paano yan maging ilan yung ating B? No? Times 10 raised to B. So from 6.008, hahanapin natin yung decimal point nito. We move to the left. So how many zeros yan? 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No? So ito na yun. How many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No? So that's 6 places, meaning negative 6 yan kasi from a larger number to a smaller number, we are multiplying with a negative power of 10. No? Next, we have 4, 5, 7. Tapos ilang zeros yan? 1, 2, 3. That's 10 zeros. No? So 4, 5, 7, again, times 10. Again, we place the decimal point dito such that 4 na lang yung maiiwan sa kaliwa. And then the number of movements from here papunta doon sa dulo. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tama ba? So from here, 3, 6, 9, 12. So that's 10 to the 12th power. Positive siya, negative. Positive, no? Kasi 4.57, gagawin mong itong number na napakalaki na to. Therefore, lumalaki yung number. So, dapat positive yung ating power. The last number is 0.000093. That's 93. And then we place the decimal point here. And then times 10, no? Ito yung A natin, times 10. And then yung B natin ay palit ba siya palaki? From 9.3 to 0.00093. That's paliit siya, no? So negative yung ating power. So ilan yan? From 9.3 pa kaliwa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's negative 6. Yun yung ating sagot, no? So wag kayong malito, no? I think this is the last video on how to write the numbers in scientific notation. Tandaan nyo na saan ba tayo nanggagaling pag tayo nagmo-move ng decimal places. Ginagawa muna natin siyang A, no? Ito yung value ng A natin. Ito mga to, yan yung A natin. Ito yung B natin, yung mga exponents, no? Ito, tsaka yan. So pag nag-move tayo ng decimal point from A, pag papunta sa kanan, that's a positive exponent. At pag pupunta sa kaliwa, no, from here, to obtain this number, yung given, pag papunta sa kaliwa, negative. No? Ito rin, 4.57, papunta sa kanan. This is A, no? Pag papunta sa kanan, we obtain this, it's a positive power. And ganun, dito, negative naman siya. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo, no? Yung susunod na part na itong series na to, magkakaroon tayo ng operation, siguro multiplication and division of numbers with positive and negative exponent. So, yun. Abang-abangan nyo na lang yung karagtong na series na to. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel. Ito yung ating address. Okay, search nyo na lang yung Sipnayan sa YouTube. And then, sa Facebook, no? At yung ating website, sipnayan.com. Nandito nakalagay yung mga listahan ng mga videos natin na nakalink sa YouTube niya. Kung gusto nyong panoorin na sunod-sunod, pwede nyong bisitahin yan. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.